So, good morning students. Today we are going to learn find area of rectangle, find area of a square, and then find length and also breadth. So, start. See here one by one. First, you write area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. When you find length is equal to, by using this formula, area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Length is equal to area upon breadth. Area of rectangle upon breadth. Or in a short, you write A upon L. A upon B. Sorry. A upon B. Then breadth is equal to area upon length. Area upon length. That is in short A upon L. A upon L. Then you see here area of square. Area of square. Area of square is side multiplied by side or length multiplied by length. Length multiplied by length. In a short, we write L multiplied by L is equal to L square. Is equal to L square. We write down in this. So, we start exercise. Exercise 32B. First, find area of rectangle. Find area of rectangle whose length and breadth is given. So, in our first example, length is 15 centimeter. Find area of rectangle whose length is equal to 15 centimeter and breadth is equal to 6.4 centimeter. This is the given value. Length and breadth is given. Then find the area of rectangle. First you write down given data. Given data means length is equal to 15 centimeter, breadth is equal to 6.4 centimeter. Then write down the formula. Area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. I am writing here short. Length multiplied by breadth. L multiplied by B. Then we substitute the value. L is 15 centimeter multiplied by 6.4 centimeter. Then you have to do the multiplication. You know multiplication. From first standard you study multiplication. How multiply? 2 digits. So first 64 multiplied by 50. 15 4 are 60. Right here 0 carry 6. 15 6 are 90. 90 plus 6 96. A decimal point here 1 point 1 digit. In a breadth decimal point after 1 digit. So in the answer also give the decimal point after 1 digit. So answer is here 96.0 centimeter square. Centimeter square. Units of area, always remember, units of area is centimeter square, meter square, kilometer square, millimeter square. Understood? Always in a perimeter only write down length. centimeter, meter or millimeter or kilometer. Okay? But in an area you write always meter square, centimeter square, kilometer square, millimeter square. Understood everyone? Okay. See here in a second example. This is the first. In a second, 8 length is equal to 8.5 meter. 8.5 meter. Breadth is equal to 5 meter. So again same process follow here. First you write down the formula. Area of rectangle is equal to L multiplied by B, length multiplied by breadth. Then length is 8.5 meter multiplied by 5 meter. 85 5 5 5 25. Carry 2. 5 8 40. 40 plus 2 42. So right here 42 and decimal point after 1 digit. So 42.5 meter square. This is the area of rectangle. Next, third one. Length is equal to 3.6 meter. L is 3.6 meter and breadth is equal to 90 centimeter. Here only two units are not same, meter or centimeter. So meter is converted into centimeter. You know 1 meter is equal to how much? 100 centimeter. So this meter value multiply by 100. Multiply by 100 and then you equal the units and then you substitute the value and then find the area of rectangle. So third and fourth you do it. L is equal to 24 centimeter and B is equal to 180 millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to how much millimeter? 10 millimeter. Yes or no? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Everyone know the value this?
Yes.
So by using this 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Centimeter is converted into millimeter. So 24 centimeter multiplied by 10. Then 240 millimeter. Or also here 80 millimeter. So units are same. Then again you substitute the value and then find the area of rectangle. Understood? Both the examples?
Yes.
Then next, find area of a square. Very easy. Question 2. Find area of square. In our first example, side is given 7.2 centimeter. Side is equal to 7.2 centimeter. You know formula, area of a square is equal to length multiplied by length. So first write formula, area of square is equal to length multiplied by length. You know this formula, so write this formula. Length multiplied by length. 7.2 centimeter multiplied by 7.2 means you find here square of 72. The square of 72, 72 multiplied by 72. How? In a simple tricks. See here, everyone. 72, square of 72. How find? First you find the square of 2, 4. Square of 2, 4. So you write down in 2 digits, 0, 4. Then square of 7. Square of 7 is 49. So write here 49. 49, 0, 4. So again in the next step, 7 multiplied by 2. 7 2s are 14. 14 2s are 28. So 20 to write down on 90. Last digit 4, you leave this digit and write down 28 na? 7 to the 14, 14 to the 28, and then you add 4, 0 plus 8, 8, 9 plus 2, 11, 5, 5184. So answer is here 51.84 centimeter square. 51.84 centimeter square. Or you simply do the multiplication. Here, why take a decimal point after 2 digits in a number? Here 1 digit or here also 1 digit. Total digit is 2. So give the decimal point after 2 digits. Second, 4.5 meter. Very easy. Side is equal to 4.5 centimeter meter. Side is equal to 4.5 meter. Then write down formula. Area of square is equal to length multiplied by length is equal to 4.5 multiplied by 4.5 meter square. 45. Square of 45 is in a previous period. You understood how to find square of 45, 25, 50. First you write square of 5, 25. Yes. Then square of 4. But after 4, which number? 5. 4 5s are 20. So right here 20. So answer is 20.25 meter square. Understood? और समझो ये नहीं आ रहा है तो आपने क्या करना है? Simply multiplication करना है. Simple. 45 multiplied by 45. Then do the multiplication. Then we get answer. Okay? समझ में आया ना? Write down.
Yeah.
Third one you do it. 4.1 centimeter. Side is equal to 4.1 centimeter. I am also giving extra 9. Side is equal to 9.8 millimeter. 9.8 millimeter. ये extra दिया है क्या?